Hi guys, it's Matthew again, and today is 1st of July 2023. Happy Canada Day to all our Canadians. I just came back from the party, and I met some few Canadians. I told them about this channel, and they're so happy to join right on the mobile, and I told them we're going to be dropping today as well, so they're patiently waiting, and here we go. Happy new month to all our subscribers worldwide, and today we're going to be dropping 4 strategies across all the 3 channels, so make sure you subscribe to all our 3 channels to watch all the strategies we're going to be dropping today, 1st of July 2023. So here we're going to be trading the volatility 100 index, touch no touch, digits differ and digit matches. We've already dropped the touch no touch strategy on the other channel, and we dropped the high low and also something similar to this, which is the digits slash matches. So we're going to be dropping the volatility 100 index digits slash matches strategy here. So here we're going to be trading the digits right here. So once you log into your trading account, you go to the volatility 100 index, then you go to digits matches and differ. Once you choose that, we're going to be working with these number sequences right here: 15, 26, 72 and 83 and 5. So the 5 means once this thing is on 5, you click on the trade. The 15 you saw there means you choose the 1, and the 5, the last prediction will be 5 for your first trade. So and once this thing is on 5, on each of the trades you are placing, you are going to be clicking on the differ. Don't forget you are clicking on differ. So let's go for the first trade here. That's 2, that's 5. So you watch the movement of the triangle. You can see we won that trade there. We won that trade. So we're going to change the number to 2 and 6. So the tick will be 2, then the last prediction will be 6. So we're going to be watching this again. Once this triangle is on 5, the movement, you can see the movement right here. Once it's on 5, you click on the differ. It's on 3, 0, 4, 3 again, 2, 3, 6, 8, 7, 8 again. So we have to wait. Have to be patient. That's 6, that's 5. So let's wait for the outcome of that trade right here. So you can see we won that trade. So before we proceed, for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boat, that's the boat right there, and you can see some results today, 1st of July 2023. To order the boat, visit touchscalper.cty technologies.com.ng. The boat is just 9.99 USD, and you can see the results right there, and the PIPSREAPER boat as well as the PIPSREAPER boat. To order the PIPSREAPER boat, all you have to do is to visit binary PIPSREAPER.cty technologies.com.ng. to order the PIPSREAPER boat is 7.99 USD. All our boats come with the free synthetic indices guide, and you also get the 4 free binary options trading boat as well, and you get the free Forex trading ebook, and you also get the free Forex trading boat as well. And don't forget to subscribe to all our channels to watch all the strategies we are going to be dropping today across all our channels. Here are the links again. I'm going to paste this in the video description on YouTube. This is the link to order the PIPSREAPER boats. This is the link to order the TOUCHSCALPER boats. This is the link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account. These are the links to subscribe to all our channels. As the first channel, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. Subscribe to all our channels, and here is a link to sign up for a free Forex trading account to use the Forex trading boats. You can use any of this link. So here is the link to download the free Forex trading book. In the book you see the link to download the Forex trading boat. Here is the link to download the synthetic indices ebook. In the link you see the in the book you see the link to download the free Forex trading books, the free binary options trading books, sorry. So here's the link to join our forum to read written tutorials. So let's get back to the trading. So we placed 2 trades. We are going to go for the third one, and it's going to be a straight win. We are going for 7-2, so we are going to click on 7 ticks right here. then the last prediction is 2, then we watch for the number 5 right here. So once this thing is on 5, you can see it's right on 5 right there. So you have to wait for the outcome of that trade. As the second tick, third tick, fourth tick, fifth tick, 6 and 7. There you go. You can see it's trade win again. So we go for the last trade. You look at the number for the last trade is 83. So you are going to be going for the tick, which is 8. Then the last prediction is going to be 3. Then you watch for the 5 again. That's 3, 0, 5. So that's going to be the last trade. Let's wait for the outcome of that trade. It's going to be a straight win as well. 7, 8. You can see straight win. So we want all the trades. So you can see the strategy is guaranteed. All you have to do is to apply correctly. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to share the video, thumbs up, subscribe to all the channels. See you guys next time. Bye.